that the word handicap. Okay, the handicap means here are the handicap means two types of handicaps are having: mentally handicapped and physically handicapped. Mentally handicapped means their mind will be not mature, even though they are physically fit, but their mind will be not mature. Some less they are thinking. Okay, they are something little different from the normal people. And physical handicap means here any body parts will be okay, something will be missed. Missed means it will be some short in distance, short in height, otherwise like that something will be a problem will be there. So like this is handicap to mentally handicapped and physical handicap. And this handicap words we are using in so many words like disabled person, unable, disabled persons we are telling. Okay, why we are telling disabled persons? Because they are unable to work compared to normal people. Means something abnormal also we use. Normal means perfect people. Okay, like how we are now. Okay, abnormal means they are little bit different from them. Means little bit less compared to them. Even though they will have more talent mind they are having, but little bit they are by seeing, by looking, or by thinking in that something they will be okay less. So this will be disabled or the words we are using. So here the Sudha Chandran, okay, she is from India. She is a dancer. Okay, and from 16 years only her leg will be okay in accident broken, but she continued herself. Okay, she is from India. She become the motivated person. Okay, in the others. And next is see review. Sudha Chandran, she is a renowned Indian classical. She again Miss renowned Indian classical dancer and film actor. She is a classical dancer and a film actor, even though she is a disabled person. At the age of 16, she lost her right leg in a motor accident and was replaced with an artificial leg. Here replaced means she kept the artificial leg. The original leg to replace the artificial leg. Everyone thought that she was it was the end of her dancing career. But Sudha, end of her dance career means here means she will not continue. Okay, but she continued. But Sudha Chandran did not accept defeat. She did not keep quiet. Okay, she continued her practice. She practiced dancing with her artificial leg and became well known all over the world. Well known all over the world means she became the one model. Okay, she became the one model from the India. She became very famous. She became an example. Okay, even though she is a disabled person, but she win so many prizes in the dancing compared to the normal people. Okay, so like that she became the well known, means she became the famous in the world. And she acted as herself in film made on her life. Okay, she acted in her life. She became the actor also. So she shared acting in the films and TV serials and still acting. Still now also she live and she is acting in the TV serials. Okay. So yes, Sudha Chandran, you got this. Even though she is disabled person, through the artificial leg, she continued her life and she lived normal luxury life. Okay, luxury life means she very popular. Popular means she become one VIP. Okay, like that you can say. And she is living, and now also she is still now also she is working in acting field only, in the films and in the TV serial. But she can sit right because she can sit quite in the home also. Okay, even though she aged. But now also we are seeing in the Hindi serials and Telugu serials she is coming. Okay, in this lesson, personality development. Okay, means personality development we are getting bad habits. This is our fault from our surrounding. Child will be spoiled from our surroundings or from the scene from which area he is mostly spending or going in. Okay, that quality, that characters will be catching that person. Okay, like this they will be going in the wrong direction. But we can be change that. We can be changed that by the good circles, good friendship we are having, good atmosphere we are having. Okay, good people's friendships we are having. So like that we can change also. But the changes we can be done in any age. There is no limit for the there is no limit to the education. There is no age. Okay, and to change herself, to change our personal development also, there is no change limit. But it is that thing that it should be come. We have to realize that it should be come into in our mind that what is wrong, what is right. First we have to think that by that only we will differentiate the changes, and we can be difference. We have to realize that yes we can think that. Okay, but the difference, if we go to the correct path, correct line, correct directions if we are going, so what are the good things that are coming on our line? Okay, which we suppose we are going in the wrong direction. What are the new things which it will take to more wrong directions? Okay, more taking wrong turns it will take. It will be difficult not only in that, it will be difficult in the future. It will spoil the future. If we going in the slowly, but we should go the correct direction. It's not necessary that we have to go, we have to improve ourselves fast. No, go slow, no problem, but it should be correct. Okay, so like that means some others people should be learn from us. Even though we are learning from others should be learned from us. Okay, like way we have to change ourselves by seeing others or by reading, by if we want to change ourselves, we want to be become good. Okay, we want to get good appreciation from others. Means first we have to change ourselves. First our mind should be washed. First our mind should be changed. We should think all positive things. Okay, then only we won't get any thought only for the negative. Okay, first our mind should be washed. Okay, washed means not only the surf and excel we are keeping washed. Here means we should be forget past is past. Okay, it's gone. Present. We have to think about future. At least past is past, gone. In 10th class now you are 8 to 10th you jumped. Okay, Corona make you graduate. But now at least now you can wash your brain, brush up your brains. Okay, clean your brains. Here means clean, think positive and at least think about studies. Okay, this is your life, 10th class. After this, you are going to see the world after school. Okay, how the outside people will be treat you and how you will give response to them. This you have to learn from here onwards. How you will get and how you will give response. That is life you are going to see after the school. If you anybody scold and they talk rashly, we also give response rashly? No. At least it's not, if you are unable to understand also, think for a second, think and give smoothly, softly with the answer. That fight will be stopped there only. If you respond them softly, good words if you use, that the angry people will also calm down. They will not give you reverse answer, they will not shout on you. Got it up? So like this is the way you have to change from yourself, it should be come from your inside. Because now you are in 10th class, it should be come from your mind. Parents, teachers, your friends, your relatives will be telling. Some people will change, some people not change. Now you are in homes, you are in online students now. Okay? There are more great people, there are online people, students now. So there is nobody to okay see about how we are behaving or how your thoughts will be. If you are coming to school means why we can see you, your behavior we can see how you are. Okay, so like that here the giving the respect and taking respect, that is the personality development we are going to learn. And if you are changing your time, your goal is strong, you are going selecting any field, your hard work, definitely you will be success. In this lesson we are learning this only, and even though they are physically disabled persons, these people they struggles, but they have support. Okay, they have support because everybody will not go at a time. Okay, there should be support from the home, from the society, from the surrounding, from the relative, from the society, and then only we get the help and we will go with our aim. What is that will be reaching. In this lesson we are going to learn this only. Please buy the books, and if you read the lesson, then only we can be understand properly. Those who are not having books, those who purchase the books, I will read your lesson, but you will just listen the story only. If you have a book means you will ask your doubts also, and you will at least you will send the doubts in your WhatsApp also. So please buy the books, and whatever we are reading here, we will clarify your doubts. So this is in this lesson. Today I told you about Sudha Chandan only, because she is our Indian, and daily you are seeing in the Telugu serial night evening time you are seeing her face only. Okay, and she acted in the Hindi films also, Nadi films also. Tomorrow I will tell you about the Stephen Hawking. Okay, even though he is from the scientist family also, then also he is physically not well, but he did stop himself. With the help of this family members, he achieved his goal. Okay, and he succeeded. He become the very famous in the world only. Okay, please students buy the books as soon as possible, and don't delay. It's already very late. Okay, compared to other schools, they all complete so many portions, lessons, and keep separate notebook for the English. Here I will send you some notes also, you write on the board, and some papers I will tell you, please write them. Okay, so this lesson, if you buy the books, it will very easy for you to understand. Here you see in this lesson, body structure and looks are not in bond. Okay, here body structure and physical body structure and looks are in bond. Means from birth we get the our body will get and we get physical bond. We do not choose or make our body. That we won't choose how we want from childhood, from our mother's womb, naturally we will grow. We need not to take pride or feel ashamed of our looks or body structure. We should not feel shame. Okay, on our body structure and on our person figure. Pride or shame comes from our behavior. This pride, whatever pride or shame is from the behavior. From our behavior, from our characters, we get the appreciation and disappreciation. We respect people and people respect us for our skills, behavior and qualities. So for a great person to become a great personality, what the needs? That is a skill. Okay, skill, behavior and qualities. Skill is a hard worker, behavior is a how we are behaving with others, and qualities. Okay, here these are the three things: skills, qualities and behaviors. If we have, everything will be positively, okay, it will be the step for the achievement, for the success or the goal. Okay, children, today we are learning this only. Tomorrow I will start the page number 15. Okay, Page number 15 from English textbook. This personal development. Today I explained about the Sudha Chandran. Tomorrow I will tell you about the Stephen Hawking. Okay, thank you children. Have a nice day. Please buy the books as soon as possible. Thank you.